Hi friends, it's Miss Kate. I am just making sure that I'm recording. I'm in Zoom right now and I'm going to try to show you how to make a sentence, since my last video on the parts of a sentence, all of the letters were all backwards and looked funny. So I'm going to see if I can make things a little bit easier to read and to understand for you. Okay, so as I said, there are nouns and verbs. So the word noun, oops, let's see. Oh, okay, noun. Noun looks like this. And verb is, well, there's noun. And let's see. Verb is spelled like that. And I hope you can see my screen. I'm sharing what's called a whiteboard with you. Okay, so there's noun and there's verb. And just bear with me because I'm trying to figure this new application out. So I'm not totally sure how to use it that well. There we go. Okay, here's a verb, and I'll bring noun right there. Okay, now let's go back to our text. I'll start some new text. So let's see. Let's do a sentence. How about we've started learning about the word like. So let's do I like pizza, period. Because remember, we have 3 punctuations that will go at the end. We have our period, question mark, and exclamation mark when you're really excited about something. But you might be excited about pizza. I also like pizza, but we're not going to yell it. So we don't need an exclamation point. We just need a period. Okay, so I like pizza. All right. What would our verb be? Our verb would be like. I'm going to circle like in black. That's our verb. I'll put a little V underneath. And that is our verb. Even though we're not doing something that's really much of an action, it is still an action when you like something. It's still considered a verb. So that would be the verb in our sentence. And the noun is pizza. Sorry, my circles are not that pretty, but I think you can still get the idea, hopefully. Now it looks more like an H, but it's an N. This is an N for noun. Let me see if I can actually erase that. There we go. Okay, so let me do an N for noun. Okay, so that's our noun. All right, I like pizza. Also, our other noun is I, because remember I said I, which in this case, if I'm talking about myself, it would be Miss Kate. Miss Kate is a person. Also, whoever I is a person. So if Iman or Ansar were to say, I like pizza, they are also people. So they would also be nouns, because remember, nouns are a person, a place, or a thing. So I is a noun. So I'm going to put in underneath I. Okay, so there we go. Now, that's the parts of a sentence, and that's how we would make a sentence. You can also say, what would be another verb we can use? In the other video, I said, I eat food. So that's also, I'll put it, I eat food. Yep, that's also a sentence, because we have our noun, which is I, and food, so we have two nouns, because I is a person, food is a thing, and eat is our verb. That's what we're doing. We're actually doing something. That's the thing that we're doing in our sentence. Okay, so let's see if I can do an exclamation sentence. Let's see, something we would be really excited about. So that would be maybe, I love this movie. Oops, movie. Okay, I love this movie. If you really love a movie, like your favorite movie, you would say, I love this movie. And you would be really excited about it. So you would put an exclamation point or an exclamation mark at the end. Okay, so let's see. Also, we have our question mark, remember? So let's see, we can ask a question. What is the answer? Let me make this a little darker. What is the answer to our question? What is the answer? If you want to find out the answer to a question that somebody's asking you, you would say, what is the answer? So you're asking a question. Anytime you are asking a question, then you need a question mark. Okay. So remember also, you have to have a capital letter at the beginning of each sentence. So I, if you're starting your sentence with I, it always needs to be capitalized. Also look at what in our question sentence. We have a capital W because that's the beginning of our sentence. Okay. So this has been part 2 of parts of a sentence. I will be sending other videos out. I don't know if this week, but if not this week, then next week. And if you have any questions, please, you can write me a message in Seesaw or an email, or you can do a voice message or anything like that if you need any extra help. All right. Okay, bye for now.